Welcome to Bold Story Press's Setting Up an Instagram Account video. To set up an Instagram account, begin by downloading the app. Your page might look a little different than mine, but click Create New Account. Enter your phone number or your email. Instagram will now send a confirmation code to your email. Find it and type it in. Then create a password. Now enter your birthday. Next, enter your name. Instagram will automatically take your name and suggest a username. If you're unhappy with the recommended username, you can edit it now. Remember, you cannot change your username once your account is created. Read Instagram's terms and policies and click I agree. You can either add a profile picture now or add one later. I will skip this step for now. If you want, you can sync your contacts with your account. This will help you find people you know on Instagram. If you don't want to sync your contacts, you can click Don't Allow. That's what I'll do now. You can also turn on your location. If you say yes, people will be able to see your location on the map. If you say no, they will not be able to see your location. I will click Don't Allow. You now have the option of following accounts. You can do this now or later. I will skip this for now. If you want to receive notifications from Instagram, you can click Turn On. You will be directed to the Settings app on your phone where you can allow notifications. You can always change your mind later. For now, I will keep mine off and click Skip. If you want to, you can link your Facebook account now. Here you can indicate your interests by watching these videos and saying whether you're interested or not interested in the content. You can also click Skip. And there you go. Your Instagram account is now set up. Watch our Navigating Instagram video to learn more about Instagram's features.